Kani gitu dasar MEGHALAYA ibn Sampai pi baro syakatup kubor mata kejanmit. Sobat pas ki kubor ki berminyak pecwai ki mat pekongsan. Penyak yu Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi ke jengelang National Wildlife Board ke Bahinyo. On pendek ke MEGHALAYA yah nyos pak kendai puar tili ke telong berkongsan. Temu ke MEGHALAYA menplay ke Shillong Medical College. Ladap ya penbet halor ke jing IY snem ya ke jaka hapung umyam. Berdawa kaseng HYC ban le AA halor ke jing o kajna ha ki jaka badon ke jing ya kajia. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ula penya ya ke jengelang National Wildlife Board ke Bahinyo ne kesngi da ke paikman ban penek pensa ya kimrat klau. Ula thung nong rimru ya ke Wildlife National Referral Center Hajunagat ban plepat ba ke Asiatic Lion Census ke Bakandrio. Nalor kani Modi ula penbena ya ke jing penlong ya ke Center of Excellence hakum bator ban pensngau ya ke jing tingko apedeng ki brio ban ki merat klau bala pelat pat ba ke kai pot halor ke jing bun ki dolphin wa ha India. Kamashwa Modi ulai shimbenta ban let pet kai ya ki Singh Hagur National Park Gujarat keberi tang maka ke jaka badon ki Jat Singh Asiatic Lion ha ke perthai ha baka jing don jungki kala sedang bun. Menteri Rang Bak ke Jelau Konrad K. Sangma ulapan penaba palat nyopo hajar teli ki telong ladep ban itu bat san hajar teli ladep ban penrung bat ki jing persang ki lanang ya sakmat ban penne ki nyos pak kandai pu art li ki telong berkongsan. Ladep pelat lai pu ar klur tingka ban penne ki henrio pu nyot li na kini ki telong nalor kani Shi hajar rios pa iway teli ki telong ladep shna hapo ke MGNREGS hakini ki sans nem baladep. U Conrad la pentip ru baladep bay henrio pu ar $1 million project da ke Asian Development Bank banang penne pensa ki telong Hakabay ke Shillong Roadway project ula kular bakan pentut ki telong ni ki klau ki tap hadim ke jingjurip ke babnia.
70,000 springs in different parts, and that's the ones that we have identified till now. There could be much more. And out of the 70,000 plus springs that we have, 55,000 have actually been mapped through satellite or LIDAR or using drone technology. And monitoring of these different spring sheds are taking place as we speak.
Ka Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekia ikong Amprin Lingdo ilapan penaba ke sorkar kala teresidom ban sengya ke Shillong Medical College balapan ya ke sorkar ke bertemu ban penklannya ketenat pulih jo kekuat kekia. Lakmi lenti baka badge beningkong on play mentausnem warhadien bakaladon ke jing saateng ben yo ke jing bit na National Medical Commission. Haba jubah pika jing keli jong nongelam kaliang persya umukul sang mahalor kani ke projek ikong Amprin ila pentikna bagi jing pen kreak kidang ya cakamat bala adep pen penyesno baka North Eastern Hill University bala pen kelai ke Pasture Hills Shark Academic Block.
The Pasture Institute is being converted into an academic block. It is a brownfield project. We did not require to institute a new hospital. We needed to look at the infrastructure that is already available. The manpower is already available. We've designated the research department to also be the academic department. So these are the major administrative decisions that had to be taken. But the department is on the job. We've done the affiliations with NEHU. That was also required.
Menteri katna boarding itu model la pentip hakayeng dorbar ba kamat kabede kajing aiwai ka jaka hapung yam syakamat chaprang tourism promotion group la depan penbet ka MEECL kalong trai halor ka lumpong deng bal aiwai ya shi akar ka jakas syaka MTPG na du usnem khat khandai spa khandai punyo hadu hajar hinyo Omsyam la pentemai syu ya kani kejing semuai. Namar ba ka MEECL kaladon kami ya kani kejaka. Hendrai hadian kejing kerpat na kamat caprang tourism promotion group. Ban penjelan ya kapor, kum talak pediang ban penjelan ya kapor. Haduk ka khatsan terik urimpang hajar arpusan. Kebela ailat ban ya keren sngotu halor kani.
The land in question is now needed by the government for the purpose of various developmental activities. Accordingly, the chairman of Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group, Shillong, was informed by letter dated 11 November 2024 that extension of land lease will no longer be extended after the lease period is expired, which has already expired on the 31st December 2024. The chairman of the Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group, by letter dated 15th January 2025, requested the MECL to extend the deadline so as to enable them to pursue the matter with the authorities concerned. The same has been entertained and extended up to 15th of February 2025.
Kahnyo Trap Youth Council right nong tung circle belalam komando President Uba Hercules Suting klekendo ya border magistrate ke Riboy district Raja Brahman nekas giban penpau ke jing sokya halor ke jing lom khajna diki he ka asam ki jaka badan ke jing kaja jong ka right nong tung ki nong song snong la sha ban ben ha ka kherdop lom khajna ka badan ha so pho but ha ba pen sngo ke jing jong ki heding ke jing hi dor jing ki marep ka HYC kala dawai ke jing rap mardor ban penbet ya kini ke jing
Dekade kamat kabangi akan resmi bad border benefit kalong kaba iyo yang komplain nagi paiba kalong ba kajing sak knyot jong kinong rap agate ka jaka kalong ba langba ka jing sak knyot aki kajing bu jong giget ka get ka bala bu napo ka karbe anglong ka bala up daki khan pali ka bala ta jur sibun yaki ki paiba kamtam ki kasi pasa ketika than namar kajing sim ya kador kamur ya kajing saot jong norap kalong ba aga si pick up la pankit ka pick up kala kita arton sikang na laiton kajing saot kawai kali kajing sak trong kalong harta khazana ka de Kadri Hajare tena kalyang jengi kum kaseng entah kasi la bu kajing kerpat ya i border mistit ba in simchalang ya kane ka banta ka ba kum ki ba kimat kajing nakalyang jengi ro i laong hi i la pau sini ba isa sim kya bat isale ya ka ba don kam nakalyang janta mistit mistit
ka drug reduction elimination action mission glapan long ke jengelang mendak sgi bat ki kimik pa ju ki samla ke besakta ke jeng kerni di drug Bania tai halor ki jing biki khu ju ki kendo kamtam ya ka jing I ben base no bat ki jing di bapen buat. Mission director ba Francis Karshiying ula batai ba day ben shim ya ka jing kerni di drop kum ka jing pang bo la pen pau ka jing persang jo ka sarkar ban kersan ki samla ban lat na kani. Kani ka jing lang katmu ban aga jing rap bat jing kersan ya baro ki samla ki bangat ha ka jing kerni bat ki kimi ki pa. Uba Francis ula pentikna ya ki kimi ki pa ba ka dream ka sngo tho ya ka khia ka shon ka jongki but kumta kan trish tam ban ai ki la jing rap badon kam na ka benta ki ni ki khna
Family plays a very important role in the rehabilitation of any youth. Another issue is the stigma which families carry. Then there's another issue which, the codependency, which Dr. Rika has just highlighted. One main issue is, families are afflicted by this problem. It is not only the person who's afflicted by this issue, but it is the entire family which is affected. Due to this reason that we requested the families to come and, where we can discuss and provide support, especially from the government side, how we can support them, how we can advise them. So today we have called a few counsellors and they have given their talks and points on how family, particularly to strengthen families to face this issue that has fallen in their family.
Ki nong rep sensar ka than mau West KHASI Hills gleken do jing nakadaw ko jing hiar dor pala jong sensar. Kador kalong hapdeng shispa but shispa arpo tengka shikilo snam arajar arpo ber arajar arpo ar henry mentau lahir shakasau po tengka shikilo kabakta ka kamai ka ji jongki nongrep da ka jingkiu dor ba da ka jingduna ka jingdawa hayo hat ki nongrep kila kerpat ka sor karban ai ka jingkrshan hakum kani kapor
iton ka jing normal bangim la siu ban im normal ni ikhilin titang yo sansar long ban im ya bam ban ke school lagi yin gisam gi jong ya po so po thau bat ka state ki jala baro ki dor gi ni gisnam gi bala le no long ila ban ki no chispa bat chispa arpo gisnam gi bala le no aki arhajar arpo we arpo ar kum tatar te mentau snam kalong kador kalong tang sapro tengka te dei halor kani kalong ni kum kinong rap sansar ni don ka jing ba te ni la du nong ba sibun
hakawai ka jingja pasngsi lalap ya kamet yap jengkong dari shaling dok kinchi bat ikun padang arbanai na kajaka pelang kepada nasional langtor henen kesngi ka kami ba ikun kila jana la yeng na du kashtarik ulber kabla penlong ki bahayeng bat kasnong ka thau ban wat iki shwa ban lap ya kamet ka jongki ka step ka bubut ki bahayeng kila ujor da ka ijahar hamai rang police station bat kidang up ya ka kai pot jong ka postmortem Hanigrim's hospital baka jing to okit kadang ya chakamat ka 50 battalion jong ka border security force kala penlong ya ka civic action program Bahadur camp Mahendraganj ha ka bakila sam ki tiar school prepare ba kishnong ki thau nolor kani la penlong ru ka jing a jing sumar shapala lais pa angut kinong pang la penya ya kani ka program hapo ka jing lam jong company commander en singhal ba la phai khmat ru ban a jingi kai ki samla ki sap prepare bat ru ka jing shimbenta ha ki kam yele kai ban lat ne ki jing snio u commander u Rahul Ranjan bat ki he ki han ki lai don lang ha kani ka sngi Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih rakam sangma lambat laingut ki wei pat ki MLA na South Garo Hills kini kendo yo Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ki sangma hakapo benang long kedor bar mang tengka ban IT kedor khas ban dawai ke jing penjelan ya kelinti rel na Guwahati Shamendi Pathar bat nangta Shabakmara bat Dhaka kani ke jing terwa kalong bat penklan ya ka khayi pateng bat ke yok ka kot da ka ba penklan ya kelinti khayi pateng
our MLAs per district will be meeting Honorable Chief Minister to submit a memorandum for extension of the railway line from Guwahati to Madhepata to Bakmara and even to Dhaka because this will be the corridor for our trade and business in the long run.
Mentang ini pek ke jeng long jeman ke sim nengatura kajing kriat kalong khatsan degree Celsius kajing shit kalong lai pusau degree Celsius kajing skem kau hau meta kasing kalong arpo ar na kashispa haba pai shanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong shipo point henriu sau degree Celsius kajing shit kalong arpo way point uway degree Celsius kajing skem kau hau meta kasing kalong sau po na kashispa kat pahajuai pat kajing kriat kalong khat ar degree Celsius kajing shit kalong khat lai degree Celsius kajing skem kau hau meta kasing kalong lai po na kashispa kesun benengkan rang hakikat tu kat niki jaka hatura juwai bercelong. Shwaban poi shubukut jang tup kubor ngai pepiang sesi ni khmat pakongsan. Peniat Menteri Rangba Adu Kari Narendra Modi ke jingelang National Wildlife Board ke Bahinyo. On pendek ke MEGHALAYA ya nyau sepak kendai pu artli kita long bakongsan. Temu ke MEGHALAYA ban play ke Shillong Medical College. Ladap ipin bet halor ke jing ai wise nem ya ke jaka hapung umya. Badawa ka seng HYC banle AA halor ka jing o khajna ki jaka badon ka jing ya kaja. Ti perlok ka tungla pois ko chang tup ko bor jing mata ka janmien. Hadu mi de shembyang bat phila sha ka sngi kuble ip baro.
Budget session of Nagaland Legislative Assembly begins. Governor Lagnation stresses for peaceful resolution of the Naga political issue. If proxies are still employed, employee as well as the officer in charge will be punished, says Mizoram Chief Minister Laldu Homa.